Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video. So I'm gonna vlog today. Today's Wednesday. Yesterday I worked on filming a new cleaning video for you guys for Sunday's video, which I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been uploading the videos a little earlier than my schedule. But that's just because I got the videos done and I just felt like, why should I wait to upload them? I just was excited to upload them. So like I said, possibly if I get the video done, it'll be up Saturday. I don't know. Saturday or Sunday, the video will be up on the Bro Clean Bee. But it's basically just going to be like a fall. Get it all done with me. We did some window cleaning. We went to my grandma's house. Did some outside work at her house with my husband yesterday. And I filmed us cleaning up some stuff at her yard, and it's just random, but I also filmed some like clips of her garden, her flowers, and the river and everything. It was really pretty, so I thought you guys might like to see that. I was going to include some baking over there, but actually what I decided to do was do it today for you guys in today's vlog, because I want to bake a cake, and I have some apples to use up, so we're going to do like a little apple cake recipe, and we're getting ready to go here. It's 7:36 right now. Me and my husband went up and walked. We walked a mile. It was dark when we got there. Like, we was walking in the dark, and then it started to get light. But I'm drinking some coffee. Got a little Costco muffin that my grandma gave me. I cut it in half. I don't really want much this morning, so I'm just going to eat this. And straighten my hair. We're going to do a little makeup. I'm going to finally this is my first time, finally, sitting down to use this little makeup mirror. I haven't felt like doing my makeup, so today I really wanted to. So we're gonna do some makeup. I got laundry to do today. I washed a bunch of sheets yesterday. Don't know what else there is to update you guys on. I hope you guys are having a great week. It's really starting to get peak here in West Virginia. Like, all the leaves and everything are finally changing colors and starting to look nice. I don't know. I need to film tomorrow, like a cleaning video for you guys. Another one, to have one for next week. I like to kind of stay ahead, so in case I get sick or something, you know, I got content filmed for you guys. So anyways, I guess we're gonna do some makeup. I put a lot of creamer in this coffee this morning. It's really good, but it's sweet. So yeah, we're gonna go over to that discount market store that I filmed in a few vlogs back, I think. And we're gonna get some cheese, some lunch meat, so we can make we'll probably just have a sandwich for lunch today. We're really trying hard not to go out to eat right now because I want to save money. So we're really trying not to do that. I was telling my husband that I'd rather just not go out anywhere to eat right now and just save our money, because it's very money costly to go out to eat. We might be going to a football game this weekend. We don't know yet. That we probably will eat out that day because we'll be out and about away from the house, and that's just what happens normally. But it might just be like Arby's or something like that. It ain't gonna be like a dine-in restaurant, I doubt it. So yeah, we're waiting to see if my husband's daughter has to work or not, because she was gonna keep Cole for us, which Cole would be so excited if he got to hang out with his sister. He hasn't done that for a while, and he'd probably be just really excited to have somebody else spend the day with him other than us. Even though we had a really good weekend this past weekend. Cole has gotten a lot different, guys. Like, just in the last couple of weeks, Cole's been playing in his room by himself, which is new. That is very new. And me and my husband were just like, we don't know what to do, because we're not used to that. So we were able to watch a little bit of TV last evening together on the couch while Cole played, and then yeah, it was just different. I don't know, I wasn't used to that. But we need to carve Cole's pumpkin. That might be what I do this weekend with him, if it ain't raining. I think it's supposed to rain, but if we have a pretty day, we need to do that. And then my brother is going to take our family photos next Sunday. I'm hoping that the the leaves and everything will still look good by then. So we take family pictures every year, so I've been enjoying taking them in the fall time so we can get like the leaves and everything, and I just think it's a pretty time to take photos. But we're just gonna do it here at the house. So yeah, I'll be vlogging when we carve Cole's pumpkin, because I think we did that last year and it was a lot of fun. Cole really likes doing it. Makeup is done. I put on foundation today. I never wear it, but actually, since I put it on, I forgot how nice it is to have your face looking pretty flawless. But it's just like an extra step that I don't always feel like doing. But yeah, makeup's done. So now I'm gonna do I'll show you guys what I like that I've had forever. That's actually, I'm almost out of it, so I need to get some more to have. It's this kind. It's called the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. Color correcting, full coverage, natural finish. This stuff is so good. I think I found this at either Ulta or Walmart. I don't remember where. But obviously e.l.f. is like a cheaper brand of makeup, but that stuff is really good, guys. Highly recommend it. Mine might be a little too pale for me right now because I'm still kind of tan. Because I think that was my winter coverage, because in the wintertime I get a lot more pale. And then in the summertime I get pretty tan looking, so I have to have at least 2 different foundations because of that. So yeah, I look a little white maybe in the face because I forgot like how white that one was, but I do need to get a new one, so we'll have to get a new one. But my husband's in the shower, and I'm actually gonna start some laundry as soon as he gets out, so we're gonna do that. I need to finish making my bed. I have pillowcases that I need to put on my decorative pillows that I washed yesterday, that I don't wash very often, but I felt like they needed to be washed. So we're gonna do that really quick. Like snow clouds behind us right now. Look at this. It feels like it's going to snow today. So my husband just ran in Shop and Save to get us the King's Hawaiian rolls. I'm going to make, he brought me some country ham home the other day, so I'm going to make some country ham sandwiches in the oven on the King's Hawaiian rolls. It's gonna be super easy and super good, so, and everybody will love that for dinner, so we're gonna have that tonight for dinner. I might make a side. We got leftovers though in the fridge from last night's dinner, like some side leftovers, so we might just heat the leftovers up. I had mashed potatoes and I had macaroni and cheese, so that's what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. And then yeah, I thought it'd be really easy to do, so I might share it with you guys when I make it, but it's super easy. You can obviously make up your own sauce if you want to put sauce on the sandwiches. I prefer to eat my country ham plain most of the time. Like, I don't really like any sauce with mine. I just like them plain on the bread. But the King's Hawaiian rolls have like a sweet taste to them, so it kind of balances out the salt from the country ham. So I'm really excited to have this for dinner tonight. But we're gonna run down to that discount market. We had to vacuum the truck, guys. It was so bad, so dirty. It's not really so much dusty, so I don't have to wipe it out. And now all the vehicles are clean. I need to put some new air fresheners in all the vehicles. We got some the other day, so I need to do that. And then today's plan, like I said, I'm gonna bake the little apple cake that I want to make for you guys. We're gonna do that, and I'm excited because it's kind of like a chill day. I feel like we're just going to finish laundry, do a little baking. We'll see what else I get into today. I could start editing, I guess. Don't know if I'm gonna do any cleaning today. I might just clean tomorrow, and I'll probably film cleaning tomorrow. So yeah, so far it's a nice morning. It's 9 o'clock now, so we're just hanging out today. And we like to take a day every week to where we don't like do as much stuff. I feel like we did a lot of work yesterday. We also mowed my grandma's yard for her. I push mowed it. My husband weed eated her bank. So yesterday was just like a very busy day, and then I came home and washed all the outside windows. It's nice just to be able to like have a day where you don't do much, or as much, I guess, but I get bored is my problem, to where I kind of can't just do nothing. So I don't know what that is, but so I wanted to tell you guys something really quick. I went down to my parents' house the other day, and my mom, I went in their bathroom, and I saw that she got like one of those, you could put it over the toilet, or you could just put it on your wall, like an over-the-head cabinet, over the toilet, whatever, cabinet. Those are really expensive, right? So I asked my mom, I was like, wow, you got a new cabinet. I was like, where did you get that at? It was really nice looking. She said she got it at Walmart on the clearance for $20. She told me it was the last one at our Walmart, but a bigger Walmart or like another Walmart might still have them. So if you guys want to run to Walmart and go to the clearance, see if you can find those if you're looking for one of those, because that's an amazing deal. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and make the little applesauce cake that I want to bake. Just do a little baking. Haven't done that yet. So I got some apples here. I got the Golden Delicious apples that we're gonna use. I think the recipe called for like 4 big apples, but I don't know. We'll see. I might. Not all mine are like big, so I don't really know how many I need. So I'm just gonna we'll just kind of like guess. We'll do 5, and then I still got like 4 apples to eat that we need to eat. But yeah, this will be a great way to use up the ones that I have left before I, you know, want to get any more. But they're pretty ripe now and everything, so I'll go over the recipe with you guys. I'll try to link it. Something I'm really bad at is linking recipes because I forget. So leave me a comment if I forget and you guys want the recipe. But I'm gonna try to just go over with you what we need to do. So I guess I need to get out my KitchenAid mixer, guys. I have not used that probably since, oh my god, I don't even know the last time I used that thing. Some people like to leave it on their counters, but I don't use mine enough. That's why I don't. But maybe some people do it just for like looks or whatever. I just never use mine, so I don't do that. But yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys really quick about my plans for next week, which will be next Thursday, which will be the 26th, and then Friday's the 27th of the month, which is insane. Like, how has this month already went by so quickly? I'm gonna be taking all my Halloween, and not my Halloween, I'm gonna be taking all my fall stuff down at the end of next week. I'm so excited. I'm excited for like the change, number one, because all my stuff has been up since August, so I'm just so excited to take it down. Yeah, I'm excited to decorate for Christmas, guys. I know everybody's like not there yet, but I am getting excited for that. But I'm not going to decorate until the first week in November, probably. That's when I normally decorate for Christmas. So I want to get everything down next week, at the end of next week. Which I know to some people that's probably insane because it's not even Halloween, but Halloween is on a Tuesday. So I like to do, you guys know, I do my cleaning at the end of the week, so it kind of makes sense for me to take my stuff down the week where it's like Thursday and Friday before Halloween. And I'm just gonna like leave a clean slate until the following week. So that way I'll just have like nothing up for a little bit. And then I'm gonna decorate probably the 2nd or 3rd of November, and I was gonna wait till the following week to do it. I don't know yet, but I'm thinking the 2nd and 3rd I'll probably be ready to bust all this stuff out, because I love this time of the year for the holiday season. As far as decorations go, I just have fun with it. I love decorating, so I'm excited. But that's my little plan. So I'm probably gonna film, if you guys want me to film like a undecorate video, I'll probably do that. I don't know. Also, I'm gonna work, I think I already told you guys this, but I'm gonna work on a video here in a little bit when we get done baking. It's now 11:54, so it's almost noon. I'm gonna try to get like the clips put together on the video that I did for this week. But I've been enjoying listening to music while I edit, because if it's not a vlog, I don't have to hear myself speak. So that has been really helping me like a lot, to put my headphones in while I edit. It's been making it go by like a lot faster, and I've been enjoying that, so I'm glad that I tried that. You're gonna need some shortening, guys, and flour to prepare a pan. 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of vegetable oil, 1½ cups of sugar, 1½ cup of brown sugar, 3 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then you're gonna need your apples. I think they said about 4 apples, large apples, I think. And then you can do chopped nuts if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that because my husband don't like nuts in anything. And then we're going to make a glaze. You need 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Now that I just read all that, it sounds like a lot. Guys, I smell the cake. I smell the cake. See who my husband was just cuddling. Oh, it looks really good. I wanted to just quickly say I wasn't really sure about the consistency of this cake, and I forgot to flour it like you was supposed to flour it and grease it. It looks amazing. Like, it looks really good. It smells really good. So what I gotta do now, you're supposed to take a toothpick, I guess. I should do that and test it, make sure it's done, because if not, we can put it back in there for like another 5 minutes. It's clean. I think it's done. So yeah, it's really pretty color. I wasn't expecting it to I don't know, it's really pretty. But we got to make the icing now, so we're gonna do that. So good. We're about to find out, guys. It smells really good. Is it going to taste good? See what the consistency's like. It just fit perfectly into this fall cozy day, guys. This is delicious. It's moist. I was really, like I said, worried about the consistency because of how thick it was. The recipe called for vegetable oil, guys. All I have is olive oil. So I used olive oil. I don't know if it would have made a difference to use the actual vegetable oil that it called for in any way, you know? But it's really good. It's not overly sweet like I thought it was gonna be. I mean, there's enough sugar in it. I like literally thought it was gonna be too much sugar, but it's not. It all seems to like balance out really nice. They recommended using the Granny Smith apples, but we'll see what my husband thinks of it. Really good. I need a glass of milk to go with it. So yeah, if you guys want to try this, I'll put the link down below. What'd you think? You want another piece? Do you really? It's so nice out here right now. So we're about to end this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you are new here. And there'll be many more videos to come. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.